Good morning. Today is Thursday, March 22nd, 2018. Today is open house. Yay. So Mr. Tuxino will be here for 12 hours today. It's always these, like, I know there's not that many 12-hour days, or there are, but there aren't that many, like, contracted 12-hour days for teachers. But man, when you're here for 12 hours, whew, stuff it could do to your head, man. It could go crazy. Um, yeah, so I'm just here at 7:55. I'm gonna try and take it easy just because I'm pretty much in it for a long haul today. It's gonna be a reading zone day. We're gonna have like a quick. We're just gonna do some reading, some quick reading assignments. They're gonna answer some questions, and that'll be pretty much the entire class period. There's a lot to do, but as for preparation for open house, there's not much that I'm planning on doing usually when I do these things. Um, I only get like maybe like 5 or 6 or maybe even 10 parents tops, um, compared to like my neighbors who get like 40 or 50 or 60 kids basically come through their classroom and it's super busy. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. There's not much else to really say about today. Uh, just look forward to today. I just, just look once again, just really just, I'm in it for the long haul, so just, I gotta take my time, take it slow, enjoy the day. Because pretty much all day is gonna be in here in my class. Yeah. What else? Nothing so much. I'm looking forward to reading this. Gonna be reading The Hobbit today for reading zone, so I'm actually excited to just read it, just because I didn't realize how quick of a read it was. Like it's like only 250 pages, and I find that really cool. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have planned today. Well, that's pretty much what I wanted to say. What am I? I don't know. Oh, I beat Borderlands yesterday. I don't know if I've been talking about it, but I've been playing this game called Borderlands, which is like a first-person shooter, like RPG kind of loot-based game, and I'm just I'm really stoked that I beat it because I have that tendency to like start something and never finish it, and I'm like two things now. I finished a book and I finished a video game, so this is great. Anyway, that's pretty much all I gotta say. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. And yeah, bye.